Convert the given percentage to fraction in their lowest form. Now what we are going to do is just we have to write it in fraction 8 upon 100, and then 8 and 100 come in the table of 4 also, 2 also. I am taking 4, 8, 8 comes in the table of 4 at 2, 100 comes in the table of 4 at 25. Now 25 upon 25%, 25 upon 100, 25 comes in the table of 25 at 1, 100 comes in the table of 25 at 4. Then 30%, 30 upon 100. So here 30 upon 100, 0 will cut with 0, 3 upon 10 will be the lowest form of the fraction. D part will remain homework for you people. Convert the given percentage to decimal. Now we have to convert this into decimal. So no need to cut. Only you have to write it into fraction first. 2%, 2 upon 100. So what will happen? This 0 will take 2. This 0 will remain as it is and 1 will become point. So the answer will be 0.02. 13%, again 13 upon 100. 0 will take 3. This 0 will take 1 and 1 will become point. So answer will be 0.13. 27%, 27 upon 100, this 0 will take 7, this 0 will take 2 and 1 will become point. So this will be 0.27. Convert the given percentage to fraction. So now this again only mixed fraction is given. You just have to convert it into fraction. So 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 upon 5, you will write multiply by 1 upon 100. So what will happen? This will become 12 upon 500. You can cut this. 12 and 500 come in same table of 2. 12 will come at 6 and this will come at 250. 6 and 250 will also go. 6 will come in the table of 2 at 3 and 250 will come in the 2 will come at 1. 5 does not come in the table of 2. It will come 4. 4 will come at 2 and 10 will come at 1. So it will be 125. So 3 upon 125. Okay. You have to change it into fraction. Okay. 1 3 by 4. 4 will multiply by 1. 4 ones are 4 plus 3. 7 upon 4. So what will happen? No need to cut it. You can put it because he has not said you have to tell the answer in lowest form. You can keep it like this also. Like you can cut it also. So it will be 7 up 7. This will multiply with your denominator. 7 upon 400. Okay everyone. So after that question number 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 upon 3 multiply by 1 upon 100, or you can write 100 here. It will be 0 will cut 0 and then 1 upon 30 will be the answer, or you can write 10 upon 300, no problem. Now D and F part will remain homework. Write the percentage of the shaded part in each grid. Okay, so you simply have to, we have done this kind of question also. So how many lines are there? 1 2 3 4 40, and then 40 boxes shaded. 1 2 3 4 5 5 boxes blue again. 45 upon 100. So 45 upon 100 is 45%. Okay, so you can write 45% here. Now B part is here. How you are going to do it? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 80 plus 1, 81 upon 100, and you can write it 81%. Look at the square grid and answer the questions. You have to answer the question, what is the percentage of red squares in the grid? So you simply have to count the red squares here. So these are 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 plus 6 is 12. Then this is 10. 12 plus 10 is 22. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So there are total 27 squares. So you have to tell the percentage. So it will be 27 upon 100, 27%. What is the percentage of green and yellow squares in the grid? So you have to count both the yellow and green ones. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, and this one is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 green squares, and how many yellow are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21. So 21 plus green yellow 21, green are 13. 13 plus 21 is your 1 plus 3 1 plus 3 4, and 2 plus 1 is 34. So total 34. So 34 upon 100 is 34%. Okay. Now the next one is what is the percentage of red, green and blue squares. So red are 27, we have already done. Green we have counted 13, and blue we have to count. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So 20 are blue. So blue 20, you have to add this 7 plus 3 10, 0 here, 1 up, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 60. So 60 upon 100, it is 60%. What is total percent of unshaded squares of the grid? So how many are left that are not shaded? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. So 19 upon 100 is the unshaded portion. So you can write 19% here. Okay, like this you have to just sorry, color the grids. Color the orange, 33% of orange, so you have to color the square grids in as directed. So 33 orange, so it will be 33 orange squares, 22 green squares, 8 yellow squares, 27 blue squares, 10 brown squares. Okay, now here what is happening, match the percentage of the first box to the corresponding representation in the second box. Then draw in the first box the part of corresponding to the matching percentage in the second box. So here he said 10%, 30%, 100%. This is the corresponding squares. Okay, so you have to match it. So 10%, as you can see here, 1 2 3, this is 10, and 1 upon 10 is written, so 10% is here. As you can see here, out of it is 3 by 4, so 3 by 4 is 75%. This is 1 by 4, so it is 25%. This is 3 by half, it is half. 3 by 6, or you can say 1 by 2, this is 50%. So this is 4 by 4 full है, तो 1%, 1 हो जाएगा. So here as you can see, this is 4 upon 10, so you can say 2 by 4 5, or you can say 40%. Okay, so this is 1 by 5, it is 20%. So it is 6 by 10, 60%. Here out of 10, 30%. Okay, 3 upon 10, 30%. So like this you have to make this cabbage. Okay student, so this is the exercise that we will be doing today. Bye bye, have a good day.